It's senior season in our house. My daughter is a senior in high school. She comes running in my room to tell me that I need to help her paint her parking space at school. She has no creative bone in her body because her mother has no creative bone in her body. I have no idea what to do. She showed me a picture, which was this one right here. I said, "Girl, what do you want me to do with that?" She looking at me, I'm looking at her. We're going to just figure it out. So I'm going to Lowe's the day of to get paint and rollers and tape and all of these things that are supposed to be used to paint. Now, I'm telling you, I don't know how to paint. I have painted several things in my day, but it almost always involves me just painting on a straight wall. Nothing decorative, nothing special, nothing intricate, none of that. But today we're going to figure it out. And why is this stuff so expensive? Anyway, off to the school I go. I go up there to look for her parking space. I found it. She's still at home in the bed. I have to call and wake her up to get up to come up here so she can help me do this because I'm not doing this by myself. I pulled out my broom to make sure I swept over the area, and then I started taping off everything so we can have the paint laid the way we want it. Now, I told y'all I don't know what I'm doing, but I can tape. I used my roller to make sure the tape was stuck to the ground, and then I started painting. My daughter did show up and she helped paint, which was surprising because I thought she was just going to tape everything up and go and sit in her corner as little princess that she thinks she is. But no, ma'am, it's 95 degrees out here. You're getting ready to be out in this heat doing this parking space just like me. And this is where we are so far. We got the box filled in. We just need to tape down the stencil so we can paint in the name, but it is time to take a break because I honestly feel like this heat was trying to take us out. This is the hottest I have been, and I don't even remember when. We are out here today painting parking spots for the seniors at my daughter's school. This would have been a marvelous idea had it not been so hot. And it's still a great idea, it's just hot. It's about 95 degrees out here. The time to do this was between 12 and 4. And right now it's about 3:40. And we've been here since 11. They let us in a bit early. And we have been baking in the sun for 4 hours straight. As soon as we leave here, we're going to get some snowballs because that's what we've earned today. Like, we have literally been sitting out here in this heat forever and ever and ever. It feels like a lifetime. But let me show you what we're working on. It's coming out pretty good. The vision that we had is kind of coming together. So let me show you where we are so far. The numbers came out good. This is where we are. Got everything taped off. Got the numbers and the heart painted on. We've got her name, which is Soraya, at the top. They said we have run out of time for today. We got to be done by 4 o'clock, which is in about 15 minutes. And we can come back on Monday and finish the rest. So that's what we plan to do. We need to finish up the numbers. The numbers need to be painted white because it's messing up our flow. We need to put the senior part on it. So we got finishing touches that need to happen, but so far so good. And that's a wrap for today. They're kicking us out of the school. We'll come back to finish on Monday. Thanks for watching.